Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how to add a poll to your Instagram story. So for all Instagram story creation, we just want to swipe to the left until we're on this camera screen here. And then once you're here, you can use the button to take a photo or a video. I'm just going to snap a photo. After this, you're going to have some options up at the top. You can add text, you can add music, you can draw on this, but what we want to do is tap on the little square with the folded corner, and this is going to give us a bunch of options here. From here, you'll see poll somewhere on here. Mine is on the right side of the screen, so we want to go ahead and tap on that. Once you have the poll up here, you can go ahead and type a question. So I'll just go ahead and type, "Are you subscribed?" From here, you can go ahead and type in what you want the poll to say. If you don't want to type, you can just tap off of this and it'll use the standard yes and no. Just go ahead and center this. But if you want to change the yes and no, you can go ahead and tap on this and type in whatever you want. And then once you have this set, you can tilt this, move this around, make it bigger or smaller, whatever you want to do with that, by the way. But you can go ahead and just tap add to your story on the bottom of the screen. Or you could tap the arrow and then add it to your story. I'll just go ahead and tap add to your story. Then we can go ahead and tap on my story on the top left. And we'll see this poll right here. I'll go ahead and tap yes. It's going to show 100% for that. But once your poll is going for a little bit, you can swipe up and see the full results here. You'll be able to see all the people that voted for yes, all the people that voted for no. Let me close that out. If the poll goes 24 hours and then it disappears from your story and you still want to know the results, you can go into your archives and find the results of any poll. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about that, or if you're interested in any other mobile app tutorials. Hope you guys found this one helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.